Good evening, my friends. The sweeping tariff imposed by the United States were originally aimed at protecting domestic industry and reshaping global trade dynamic. However, the ripple effect of this economic policy are now hitting an unexpected group international students, especially those from tariff affected countries such as China, India, Brazil, and several developing nations. Soaring cost of education, the tariff have triggered inflation across various imported goods including electronic stationery, laptop, pharmaceuticals and basic living essential for students. The result is a sudden and often unbearable rise in living and educational expenses, increased rent and accommodation cost, higher health insurance and medical expenses, rising price of academic material and digital tools, currency devaluation in home countries making USD expenses more painful, shrinking job and internship opportunities. With economic uncertainty growing due to trade tension, many US-based companies have tightened hiring. This especially affected students on temporary study or work visas. Companies are reducing internship and OTP. H1 visa approval are declined amid this strict immigration enforcement from involved in global manufacturing and downsizing or relocation production impacting job growth. The American dream now just a dream. Many international students once saw the United States as a land of opportunity where hard work and talent would open door to career success and financial stability. But today that dream is fading. Some students are forced to abandon their study and return home. Others are now choosing Canada, Europe, and Australia or more stable alternative. Mental health issues, financial stress, and career uncertainty are on the rise. Cut off geopolitical crossfire. These students did not create the trade war. They are not policy makers or corporate lobbyists, yet they are paying the price for decisions made in political and economic backrooms. As one student put it, we come here for education, not be collateral damage in global trade war. University and government responding slowly. Some universities are introducing financial aid and emergency relief fund. A few are increasing access to scholarship or reducing non-resident tuition. Student organizations are urging policy